Hey everybody, it's Ruthie. Welcome back. I wanted to show you another tip of things that I do with my when I do scrapbooking. Now I do have some health issues and there's some days that I cannot walk or move very well. Other days that I go to watch grandbabies. So I actually take these things with me to their house so that I can work on it. So I wanted to show you, I do the individual ones like I showed you before, but let me show you when you have a bunch of pictures of the same theme. My son took his kids to Florida for vacation a couple of years ago, I guess it was. I don't know if it was last year. That's not important. Anyway, so I got all the pictures together and then I sorted them by places that they went, and I'll decide. So I put those together. And because it's a summer vacation, I'm using this kit. What is it? Echo Park? Yeah, Echo Park Summer Dreams. So I have the paper. This is the stickers. I just keep it all together and I put it in that same pocket when I'm not using it. Let me see here. Like this kit here. And it's all together in one of these. It's one of the 12 by 12 pockets for your photo album, and I just cut the edge piece off because it makes it easier to store them. They're cheaper. So I put all of this in a kit. Now I do have these out now because I want to work on this particular layout here soon. So I put all of this paper in here, and then I go and I pick up some different cardstock, different colors that I think will go with the kit. Some people buy their cardstock with it. I find that it's cheaper if I pick it up other places. So I just pick out some cardstock to add with this, and I put it all in here. Put my pictures in here. And then I go to my notebook. I had put a video in there before, and I'm going to update because I have made some changes. My notebooks that I keep all of my embellishments in. I keep them all by theme, by summer and travel together, fall, Thanksgiving, Christmas, that kind of thing together, Easter, the holidays. So I keep them in different notebooks. And I pick any packets that I have. Now, rarely do I keep these in a packet unless I buy them for specific pictures. And this one I did. So I'm going to put that in here. And this came out of one of the Echo Park sticker books. So, and it just has a lot of things about the beach and tides and that kind of thing. So I'm going to put this one in here. I also putting this summer book in here. Let's see, this is Endless Summer, and this one is My Favorite Summer. So I'm going to put both of these in here. And then because they were traveling, I'm going to put this in here because it has, the airplane and the globe and luggage and the palm trees and that kind of thing. And the colors go well with this paper. So I'm going to put this one in here. And then when I went to my notebook, I picked some other stickers up. So what I do is I take just a small dish. I do have one of those powder tools. I don't use it very often because I find that I want to work faster than it's letting me work. So I just take powder, like the individual little baby powder things that I keep. And either I use my fingers or I'll use like a paintbrush or something. And I take the sticky off the back of these things. So I just found a bunch of these things in here. I found some flip-flops, some more palm trees, and this is a homemade a sun, little summer sign, castle, because they were building a castle. And I just find anything and everything I can think of that I think I might want to use for these layouts. I don't know how many pages it's going to take, and that's not what I'm thinking of when I put these things together. But I put these things all in here. These things all have the sticker off the back. And I do that usually before I even put them in my notebook for several reasons. One, I can just put these in here. The other thing is, is when I get ready to decorate my pages, then I'm able to put my other things in here. This one is not going to fit in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out a couple of the sheets that I think I might use. And I'm just going to put it in here because if there's one thing, I don't want to have to get up and find something, and I don't want to have to get somebody else to try to figure out what I'm talking about to go get it. So I definitely want this because it has some of the colors and the luggage and that kind of thing. So I'm just going to take those out. I'm going to leave this one here out too because it does have the alphabet in here. And I found these for $4 a piece, and if they ever go back on sale again, I will be sure to let you guys know. So I put all this in the same container. If I have any, like even if I decided I want to put a stickles or something in here, I can put it in here, but I'm not going to for this page. I go through my journaling tabs, anything that I think I might want, and I put it in here along with my pictures. And when I have the days that I can't be at home, or if I have days that I can't walk as well, then I'm able to just have a kit completely ready. And so my husband knows that, you know, the adhesive, he knows where I keep everything. And so I'm able to just sit and scrapbook even if I can't walk that day. So guys, I hope this helps you. Stick around because I do have other tips that I'm going to share with you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye everybody. Happy scrapbooking.